G'day, my name's Josh Weston, I own Railed Sportfishing. We do a huge amount of personal fishing out of this boat, and we're fishing in the late at night, early in the morning, and safety is a real key component to that. Above the cockpit here we're running Seahawk XL dual colours. These particular ones are white and blue. I used a white and red combination on the last boat, but I'm finding the white and blue is really good at night when we're tying knots and what have you. The blue light, it's not hard on your eyes, it gives a real good ambient light, and it's a really good quality light for when you're trying to do close-up fiddly work. Being able to swap between the white and the blue gives us different options. If we're filleting or cleaning up, we want a nice bright intense light that lights up the whole cockpit evenly. And if we're just hanging out doing a bit of fishing or maybe just having a bit of dinner at the end of the day, we can flick it over to the blue. It's not so bright on our eyes and just gives us a really good all-round ambient lighting. In the past I've ran a solitary light, and no matter where you went on the boat you always cast a shadow. Running two beams means that we've just got a really beautiful light everywhere we go. The Seahawk XL dual beams are a ceramic copolymer. They don't have any paint on them, they don't have any product in there that will corrode. You put them on the boat, you know that they're not going to deteriorate, they need no maintenance, they're just a good quality light. I spend a huge amount of my time going out onto boats that have got problems with the marine electronics. The good thing about the Howler range is that it's all EMC protected. You don't get any problems with interference patterns. You put it in and you can forget about it and you've got no interference.